Hello everyone, Mr. Femi is here, and I know you'll be happy to see me here today. I'm happy too. So today, our topic is programming steps. Now let's quickly look at our learning objectives. By the end of the lesson today, you will be able to define programming steps, and you'll be able to state reasons why we need programming steps. And 3, you'll be able to state programming steps. And 4, you will be able to write a simple program using programming steps. Now let's look at our previous knowledge, that is our previous lessons. In our last lesson, we look at programming language, where we say programming language is a language used to write instructions for the computer. And we look at the types of programming language, which are high-level language and low-level language. And we also look at the examples of programming language, which are BASIC, Java, COBOL, Pascal, and C++. Now today, our learning objective 1 for today, our essential question for today is, what is programming steps? Now, programming steps are step-by-step method a programmer follows to write a computer program. I take that again. Programming steps are step-by-step method a programmer follows to write a computer program. Now, why are we learning these programming steps? It is very simple. We are learning programming steps because the way human being thinks is not the way computer thinks. What do I mean by that? Let me show you a simple example. Look at the board. You see human versus computer. If you have to calculate 2 plus 3 as a human being, your brain will tell you the answer is 5. But computer cannot calculate it that way. For computer to calculate 2 plus 3, it must follow a series of steps or instructions that you can see at the right hand side of the board. So that's why you have step 1 to 5. Now, let's look at programming steps. We have 5 programming steps that a programmer must follow to write instruction for the computer. 1. Problem definition. This is where a programmer identifies that there is a problem. Just like in this simple program, to add 2 numbers. So the programmer in problem definition identify the problem. And number 2, problem analysis. He look for a way to solve the problem. That is what we mean by problem analysis. Then 3, he design the program design. That is, he designed the program on a piece of paper. He writes a rough sketch on a sheet of paper. Then 4, program coding. This is where he will use a programming language to write the program. That is what we mean by program coding. Then after that, he will test the program. That is what we mean by program testing. That is to run the program, whether it's working or not. Now let's look at a simple program that we can use these programming steps to write. Look at it. We are writing a simple program to add 3 numbers. The step 1 we are to take is let A equals 2. Step 2, let B equals 3. Step 3, let C equal 5. Step 4, let D equal A plus B plus C. And step 5, print D. And step 6, end. That is how a computer works on instruction. Now the question I would like to ask you is, who think for the computer? As you know, computer is a machine. It cannot think for itself. So a programmer or human being must think for the computer before computer can do what we ask it to do. Now let's look at the summary of our lesson today. We have defined programming steps as a step-by-step method a programmer follows to write instruction for the computer. And we state the reason why we need programming steps. Because the way human think is not the way computer think. And we also look at programming steps, where we have problem definition, problem analysis, program design, program coding, and program testing. And we write a simple program using that same method. I believe you enjoyed the class. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.